What's going on, guys? Dave Petty here. Mind, body and iron. Hashtag MBI. Oh yeah, I forgot, aka DP. It's Monday the 5th of August. Had some trials and tribulations the past few days. Had an abscess on the gum. It was dead tough. Man, that was horrible. My face was all up like a golf ball. And I was just, oh god, it burst in my mouth. Had to go to the hospital, get antibiotics. So that's why I haven't been doing my videos. I have still been training. Now my whole body is pretty much aching as far as going for bodybuilding style training, going for between 6 and 10 reps and heavy working sets. So I've done all that kind of training. So today I woke up and I was like, oh man, I've pretty much hit every body part and I need to give everything a rest. So I'm going to go for a different training approach, which is going to be more endurance training, I think. So we're going to be doing bear complex for 30 or 40% of my max, and we're just going to rep out. So it's going to be almost more of a cardio workout with weights rather than doing an actual cardio workout. I feel as though that would be beneficial to different muscle fibers. You've got fast twitch and slow twitch, and also because my heart rate will be so high, it'll be more of a heart workout, really, heart and lungs, getting that VO2 max up. I haven't done much cardio work lately. I have been focused on my bodybuilding because I wanted to change my body. But yeah, we're off to the gym now. If there's no one there, we'll record it. 1 or 2 movements. Might do some deadlifts with a hex bar or something. Really low weight, lots of reps. And see how that workout takes us. Got some good news up and coming soon. Very, very soon. Exciting news. I'll probably announce that in the next video, so you need to keep watching for the next video for some exciting news. And yeah, things are going to change soon. Life's going to change, maybe for the better, maybe for the worse, who knows. But don't try and never get anywhere. Everything's a failure till that one time that you win. And you only win by learning from failures at the end of the day. So let's see what this workout has to bring. So that was my 4:30 a.m, 4:45 a.m. workout, about 45 minutes. Bit of a different one today, really. Like I said, my body was telling me, yeah Dave, you've done everything, you need to recover. However, I didn't want to miss out on a prime time because I woke up early, so I didn't want to miss out on a prime time to work out. So I did a different kind of workout, and you don't always have to be doing the same thing all the time. Your body gets more growth from adapting to something that it's never done before than it does repetitively over like a course of however long. It loves new challenges. It loves different exercises. It loves different ways of training, like different weights, different number of sets. It's not necessary to do crazy amounts of volume, but like I said, this workout was more cardio based, full body routine kind of thing, so I'm using everything, and it wasn't any emphasis really on the weight. The weight was just there to get something out of it, but the more the focus was on the reps. Didn't really feel much of a pump or anything, but I got my sweat on and I got my heart rate up. I was out of breath, sweat, endurance, and then that will only correspond better and transfer over into my whatever bodybuilding kind of routine. I want to be an all-rounder kind of thing. I want to be strong. I want to be able to do endurance, but I also want to look good. So your bodybuilding, your strength training, your endurance training, cross hybrid training, I believe it's called. So that's a new thing that's out, hybrid training. I like the look of it. There's a lot of running involved. Cycling doesn't really get me. Maybe you do a bit of swimming. I don't mind a bit of swimming. Yeah, it was a different one. I did a lot of did a bit of grip strength. So I used some fat grips when I finished off on my you see me use them blue grips when I finished off on the deadlifts on the hex bar, just standing static, holding them for as long as possible. Not sure how much that hex bar is. I'm guessing about between 10 and 15 kg. It was light, a lot lighter than it looked, put it that way anyway. And then afterwards we grabbed some big bumper plates where you're really out here. I was quite inspired by my mate Spencer. I've been watching his videos. He does a lot of powerlifting and strength training and whatnot. And I've seen him do some grip strength stuff, which inspired me to do a bit of grip strength. Now I don't use straps ever, and I've never used straps. I think I've used straps like twice in my life, and it just feels like it's going to pull my hand off. So my grip strength ain't that bad. I'm not saying it's the strongest, but I reckon it's above average. I reckon it's above the average male's grip strength, for the simple fact that I've never done any of my lifts with wraps. So yeah, good workout. By the way, I didn't say, check out my man Spencer Brown on YouTube. Subscribe to him. I am Spencer Brown. Jim is his handle on YouTube, and you can see all his progress and his powerlifting and everything like that. He's really good. Henchoid. Yeah, just thought I'd add that in. Well done, Spence. If you watch, you subscribe, but if he watches. Right, 8:30. I've got to be leaving the house at 10:30. So let's smash all this food prep and make my food ASAP. Doesn't take long. Could do this every day. Don't see why it's such of a problem. It used to be daunting, in fact, like thinking about it. But yeah, we got everything out already that we need. This is all for the superfood smoothie. Minced beef butter, ready for my 2 minced beef pre-made things for work. And we've got our eggs here ready for smashing now. It's not a big deal. Let's do this. Eggs are done. Beef's doing. That's ready to go once the eggs are done. Boom, it's taken me like 10 minutes to get to this point. I did press record. Well, I thought I pressed record because I was just going to run through it. We'll do that another day. But piece of piss, basically. Piece of piss. Just going to have our eggs quickly while the beef's cooking. Frank's Red Hot sauce. One of the best sauces you can actually possibly get, actually. From what I've seen and read on the ingredients of sauces. Like, you've got fermented cayenne pepper, spirit vinegar, water, salt, garlic powder. That's it. That's all that's in it. No other crap. No modified maize. No palm oils. No seed oils. That's an egg smash. That's beef almost done. I started cooking my beef. Especially minced. Steak's a bit different, but minced beef, I was having it a little bit undercooked, but now I started cooking this fairly well. I think it helps it digest a bit better. Beef's pretty much done. Just going to switch it off. Let it cook the last bit by itself. I'm going to do this now. And there we have it. Pretty grey. But actually pretty tasty. Go figure. Been a decent day. Early morning workout, a little bit of food, back to bed, up again, walk the dogs, eat some more food, ready for work. Weekends suck now. Like I get a bit more time to myself through the weekdays, but well, time off just seems really, really poor. 5-day work weeks just ain't for me. Wish I was back on my 4-on-4 off. Maybe need a new job. Maybe. But it is eat, sleep, crap, repeat. And the only thing that I enjoy is something that I can do every day, but the rest of it takes it out of me. So I need to find some way to incorporate that into what I do for a job. It's crazy raining at the moment, and there's lightning and thunder. Time for change. Thanks for watching today's vlog. You've been watching Mind, Body and Iron. I am DP. No, I am Dave Petty, aka DP. Hashtag MBI. Subscribe. Watch again. Like the video. Leave a comment. Do something. Ooh, there's the thunder. To the next one.